getting ready to do a transmission service on this 2010 Mercedes C350. This transmission is a 722.9 7-speed automatic that was produced from 2004 right up to 2016. That's 12 years. Can you imagine how many transmissions there are out there with that designation? But in the mid 2010, they changed the transmission. So if you're doing a 2010 or 2011, you need to figure out which transmission you have. Whether you have the 722.9 or the 722.9 Plus. The Plus has a code designation A89. And everybody says, well, where do I find the code? Is it stamped on the transmission? You know, where is this silly code? Well, you don't need the code. There is another way to tell which transmission you have. You can check the color of the fluid, but how do you do that? There's no dipstick. So I'm going to show you now an easy way to check which transmission you have. But if you want to find the code A89, you can do it by getting your VIN number, going online and finding a VIN decoder, and you put your VIN in, it will show all the options that your car has. That's one way you can do it. So before I start on this car, I thought I would show you how I tell the difference very quickly. The change included three things. It included changing the filter, changing the pan, and changing the fluid. If you look here on my right, this is the pan and filter out of a 722.9. On my left is a pan and filter out of a 722.9 Plus, or code A89. If you want to find that code, go for it. All right, I want to show you the difference here. If you look first at the pan, you'll notice that the newer pan is deeper, just by about 3/8 of an inch. And you'll also notice, if you look at the bottom of the pan, there's a difference here. These early transmissions have these little teeny flat dimples. Now look at the bottom of the pan on the 722.9 Plus. Look at how deep those dimples are. Now what's the purpose of those dimples? Let's flip it over and I'll explain. The second change is the filter. You know, you look at the filters, they look pretty much the same, but look at right there. See the depth? The 722.9 Plus filter is deeper. And these filters sit just like this on the bottom of the pan. Okay? Now, if you flip it over, you can see here's the intake to the filter. The intake to the filter hasn't changed. So that's the primary difference, and along with that, they came up with a low friction fluid change and changed the color of the fluid. So you could not mix fluids between these two. I'll go over that in another video in this series. But I'm going to take you underneath the C350 here, and I want you to determine which transmission this car has. I did have to remove this underbelly panel to get to the transmission pan. Now just take a close look at it, and from what I said earlier, what's your best guess on which transmission? Is this the Plus with the code A89, or is this the early model before mid-2010? Now in the next video, we're going to talk about why in the world did Mercedes make a change in the pan anyway.